So hello guys, it's a rainy day here in Cebu City. Yeah, shout out to you're here. Shout out to mga followers, but we're here at Colon Street, the oldest street in the Philippines. Yeah, medyo blurry lang itong one because of the windshield and the lights and the flare. Pero muna, busy Sunday night for Cebuanos. So hopefully these passengers can get a ride. Because it's raining, so you don't want to get wet. It's a wet Sunday night. Affordable. So this is Metro. Mersey. Mersey or Colon. If you like Piyaya by Napoleones. So this is like our legendary Colon Street. One day night market, no? Pero this colonnade, so stop at the Ray, diba? Lahi sa itong ruta tonight. Yes, we are on our way to one. So that's Oriente Theater. So Oriente Sinihan, and that's like one of the classic old movie houses that survive here in the downtown. This used to be really teeming with movie houses, but this is like the central. This is the city, but now very few people. Not very few. A lot of people still go here, but it's not really the center of entertainment anymore. It's Oriente. They used to have a lot of movie houses like Eden, Vision, Super Cinerama, Ultra Visterama. There was a time, but when the malls came, things changed when the malls came because the behavior of people, they now go to the malls to watch movie. It's like they got it all because it's SM. They got it all. So you watch movies, shop, eat. So, it changed the game. I mean, having a mall with movies, theaters, somehow, closed down the movie theaters here in Cebu. It was a lively. I mean, although, yeah, that's the difference because many people now don't watch movies in theaters, especially. Pero at that time, many people still watch movies, but until slowly but surely, VHS, DVD. Now it's internet, it's streaming. So somehow we find ways to, watch our movies. Although, yeah, compared before, I think piracy has become less because there's still pirates, but it's like digital piracy. They don't really have to buy DVDs na. So it's different. So now we have Netflix. People can watch in YouTube. Kids watch like what you call it, movies, kid shows. So, we have Afbao, so Minecraft. Minecraft now. So we're gonna go to Parian. A weird one route tonight. So Parian is like the old district also here. So we have there's a monument here for Parian, diba? So there are eateries here. I don't know, may kananan rin, may puko-pukos Parian. Wow. May pirya. Tambok na ka. So we're here in Amon Aboiti Street. So diri ang Casa Gorordo. So last time I was here, I was watching the Sinog. It's Casa Gorordo, an old house preserved by the Ramon Abuetes Foundation. And you know, every Sinulog Monday there's a Sinug performance by the Mambolo dance troupe. I think you saw the video or not. But yeah, so it's a rainy day, so we're just showing you how Cebu, you know, looks like on a rainy night, rainy Sunday night. Medyo cool lang, cool. Diba? Relax, see a movie. So how well lit, or is it na may flood ba, na may traffic? We're fortunate that it's a Sunday. So if it was not a Sunday, I probably won't choose this route, diba? But yeah, so stop na ko. That's Tiborcio Padilla. So going to Tipadilla and we're currently at MJ Cuenco, by the way. So kuya kayo mga names, but yeah, pasensya lang din na drive, but yeah, we are trying our best to show you, you know, how Cebu looks like on a rainy night. It's nice also na yung mga traffic lights na naninumber ba. Diba? 4 seconds. It's okay mo daog tonight. There's a game between San Miguel and Magnolia, game 2 of the PBA finals. So wala, we gotta turn right here para padung namin sa among destinasyon. Left and right. Dan, so ano na ipadong na tayo Robinson's Galleria, Cebu. Wait, hinay bro. So wala, it's really a chill night. Nindot kayo rin ikatug. It's a good thing. It's on a Sunday, and a cold Sunday night. It's a good time to sleep already. I hope you had a good sleep during this kind of weather. I think the Philippines is a bit cold. It's winter. The winter wind, I guess, is now in our country. And we experience some cold weather, especially like places like Benguet and Baguio. I think, can you imagine like 9 degrees, 11 degrees? Not bad, right? Although no, it's also a risk because low temperatures can cause crops to freeze. Diba? Frosting, but freezing. Diba? Could kill crops. So also, but there's also there weather na it's friendly to the crops. Not too much cold. But yeah, kanina 11, 12 nga. Not bad. 15 degrees. Lahi isa na. Murag feeling na ko kung ako'y tanom. Malipay ko, tambok ko. Okay, kuhaan man ba? We're now on our way towards SM. SM. Because they got it all. So one of the reasons why there are no more movie houses typically even in towns. Before there were small movie houses in towns, and I haven't heard much about having movie houses in towns. Maybe the business really is not as good anymore because of streaming. Okay. And people come to the city. The city is more accessible already, and they can go to the mall. I mean, even if they're from the province. There are more buses now. There are even aircon buses. So it's not as challenging before. And even now, the jeepneys are being modernized. So, wala na. Wala yung mga jeep kay kanina. El Pardo Transit. So, they are buses now. So, wala. Mga changes. Many changes in the lives of Filipinos. So, making it, we're making some industries obsolete. Diba? Not only Filipinos, when it comes to the movie industry, yeah, the theaters, there are people, many lost jobs. Those working in theaters, so diba? But you know, life goes on. So maunay ko lang ana, they say, diba, you always have to anticipate changes. So mauna, the ones who can adapt to change faster are the ones who will thrive. Only succeed, thrive, enjoy, probably you'll enjoy. So if the more you resist sometimes, you know, the harder the struggle, it will just make life difficult, diba? So mga early adopters, yeah, swerte na. But you know, of course, we always sometimes hold on to things, mga sentimental values. Meron ganina na nagkuha. Maluoy ta. Maluoy ta. There's an SM. So we're now on the SM. So yeah, they got it all for you. So wala, we have to say goodbye na, and this is the special trip na from Colon to SM via what did they pass, via Parian, no, via MG Cuenco, Tipadilla, and now we're in SM City, Cebu. I think wala jeep na nga na ang ruta, but we managed to arrive. Niabot ta. May atras na jeep. So niabot na ta dire. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Nainindot na billboard, Nissan Kicks. Those are some of the new innovations na puhon. O takay ba maging normal na. Diba? Kicks e-power, electric driven gas charge. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. See you na sa sunod ng mga drives. Okay. Labang. So, bye-bye.